Hey guys, this is prom look number 1. I've got 3 coming for you. This one is super easy, super boho and whimsical to match this dress from Yes Style. I can't figure out how to fix my audio, so you're getting a voiceover. We're gonna start with the Model's Own Face Base Face Primer. I've been loving this primer. It's so good at making your face look flawless. And this may seem a little bit crazy, but I have been using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer as foundation like every day. If you can figure out your shade, then I highly recommend this as foundation. It's really hard to find your shade because they do oxidize like 2 to 3 shades darker, so keep that in mind if you're gonna buy them. But they have such a nice finish, and the way they wear as foundation, oh my god. On my face, I used light 18 and light neutral 15, and then for concealer, I used fair 02. To blend out my face makeup, I used the flat top foundation brush from the Furless Cosmetics It's Like Me Makeup brush set, and for my concealer, I used a beauty blender. I'm also going to use my beauty blender to apply my RCMA No Color Powder. Before I powder the rest of my face, I'm going to contour with my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzing Stick, applying that to my cheekbones, my jawline, my forehead, and my nose. My rose gold brush collab with Furless Cosmetics is still available, only until they're gone, so if you'd like to grab a set, the link will be below. Thank you guys so much for the support. Next, going back in with my RCMA powder, I'm going to bake and set the rest of my face so it's sharp and doesn't fall off. For brows, I'm using my old school favorite brow product, Little Palamino Brow Pomade from Poni Cosmetics, and I'm using a different angled brush from Furless Cosmetics because my rose gold one is missing in action. And then I'm gelling my brows with the eyeko Tinted Brow Gel. Now I'm going to dust all of this powder off, only to dust more powder all over. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana bronzer all over my face for a little bit of added glow, and jump into the eye look. This is one of the new Smashbox trios in Nudie Pick Medium. These are so cute. I'm just using the lightest shade first all over my eye as a base, and then using the medium shade in the crease, super blended, and then the darkest shade also in the crease and on the lid, keeping it really blended. I also added some of the deepest shade to the lower lash line, but not a whole lot. Hopping into another Smashbox trio, this is called Hashtag Goals, and I'm going to use some of the bronze shade on the lid to give it a little bit of sparkle, keeping this eye look super simple. To add a tiny bit of definition, I'm going to use the Lamia Eye Pencil by Melt. It's kind of a deep purple color, only on the outer corner of my eye, and smudging it out. And then I'm going to add some lashes. These are Sassy Since Birth by Bold Face Lashes, and they're dramatic but still kind of natural, if that makes any sense. I'm applying them before adding mascara because I find this makes it a lot easier to apply them really close to the lash line. The Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit, the 2 lightest shades on my skin tone, are my favorite for a kind of wet looking, really shiny glow, and I wanted it to look like I was just a shining goddess. So this is what I chose. To open my eyes and brighten them a little bit, I use the NYX Wonder Pencil in Light, and I put it right in my waterline. To finish the eye look, I'm adding mascara, my Model's Own Grand Master Lash Mascara. I'm putting it on the top lashes to blend my natural lashes to the falsies, and quite a bit on the bottom lashes. This blush in Flare by Stellar Beauty is my favorite blush when I'm trying to look extra glowy because it is glowy in itself. If you're not comfortable with faux freckles, definitely just skip this step, but when I want to feel like an ethereal, glowing goddess, I think freckles add to the look so much. The Hi-Fi Shine glosses from Urban Decay are all I have been putting on my lips. This is in the shade Savage, and I am obsessed with them. For an important event like prom, you want to set your makeup. My favorite setting spray of the moment is the Ciate Dewy Spritz. I'll be right back with my hair and my dress. My headpiece and my dress are from yesstyle.com. I'll link them below, and make sure you follow YesStyle on Instagram because there is going to be a giveaway coming up. The wig is the Candy Floss wig from Trendy Wigs JD35 for a discount. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Let me know what kind of look you're wearing to prom, and I'll see you in the next video.